This is Lisa Jamford, and I'm in this beautiful little nursery that's getting a complete makeover from wall paint to decor. And today we're just going to show you how we're going to paint a fresh, creamy white and lighten up the whole space. So some of the tools that I have, of course, we've got the paint. We've got this great non-VOC paint. It's going to be a creamy white color, so we're going to lighten up the entire space. We have our roller. We have our extender brush. This is great so you can save your back from trying to constantly be reaching up. So make sure you I also have an angled brush. It's great to get into tight corners to make that nice and clean and get good. And we have a brush edger. You can just glide them along the edges of trim. So this can save a lot of time. It's a little bit tricky if you're not using great painter's tape. Of course, we have our can opener. I've got an old wooden ruler, and you can have laying around the house just to stir the paint. We're going to love having on hand handy wipes or baby wipes. So like getting paint on myself, little drips here and there. To have on hand, I love having a Ziploc. If you stay, you can just put it in here, seal it up. Actually, it can be in here for a couple of days even. So, of course, we also have our painter's tray. There's drop cloths. These are just old sheets. You can use old sheets. I love having paint clothes on because I can just wipe my hands. A stick drop cloth that we bought on the floor to cover the car. And I think we're ready to go. Okay, one important step before you start painting or trimming or anything is to make sure and wipe down your walls, make sure there's no real dirty marks, and make sure your trim is clean, free of dust and dirt. All the cobwebs in the corner are gone. It'll help the paint adhere better to the walls, and also you're not carrying that dirt into the wall color. But before I paint the wall surface, the entire wall, I'm going to trim everything out. You can use painter's tape, you can use a flat square edger brush, and you can use a diagonal brush, just a hand brush. So I usually love this brush, but I was having a little trouble getting it to work on this trim. Okay, finished. I've got a beautiful white canvas. Now we've started by painting the entire room this beautiful, fresh, creamy white. And the next step is to recreate a wallpaper look that the homeowner loved, but they didn't quite want to commit to wallpaper.